how are you? Welcome back to Flip's video classes, right? I'm Thiago, and today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about demonstrative pronouns, okay? So, it's pretty simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take a look. Okay, my friends, so as I said, today we will talk a little bit about demonstrative pronouns, okay? We use demonstrative pronouns every time you want to indicate, to show, to demonstrate something, okay? In a short or a long distance, okay? First, I will start talking to you about demonstrative pronouns in the singular, okay? So the first demonstrative pronoun I have for you is this, alright? I use this to demonstrate something in a short distance, alright? So let's take a look at the example I have for you. This is my new car. This is my new car, right? Now, take a look at the picture I have here. You see, the car is not distant. The car is close. It's in a short distance, so I can use this. This is my new car. But attention to something. It's singular, so when I conjugate the verb, I need to conjugate the verb is, okay, because it's also in the singular, alright? Now, let's take a look at the example I have here for long distance, right? So let's take a look at this other demonstrative pronoun. That, alright? So I'm going to use that to demonstrate something in a long distance, alright? So the example I have here is, that is my old house, right? That is my old house. If you analyze, let's take a look at the picture. If you analyze, the house is very far, is very distant, okay, from me. So I say, that is my old house. Attention again, in this case, it's also necessary to use the verb be is, okay, because it is, as I said before, in the singular, all right? Remember this is very important. Now, my friends, I'll continue talking about demonstrative pronouns. But now I'll talk about some demonstrative pronouns in the plural, okay? I will start talking about these, right? Attention to the pronunciation. These, okay? So, very similar to this, which is singular. This is singular. These represents the plural, okay? And these also is about short distance, okay? Now take a look at my example. These are my friends, Jen and Clark, right? These are my friends, Jen and Clark. Now, take a look at the picture I have here. The people, they are close, they are together, they are very close to each other, right? So in this case, I use this because they are not distant, okay? So in this case, I use this. And remember, when I use this, I'm indicating plural, so it's necessary that I use are, okay? These are, all right? Different from this is. This is indicates the singular. These are indicates the plural. Now, how about long distance in the plural? For long distances in the plural, we use those, right? As I said, we use those to indicate long distance, okay? Now, take a look at my other example here. Those are my son's friends. Those are the friends of my son, right? Now, in the picture, you see that the children are more distant. So, as they are more distant, it is right that I use those, okay? Those are my son's friends. And again, I will use are, okay? I will use the verb be in the plural form, all right? Now, we talked a little bit about demonstrative pronouns in the singular and demonstrative pronouns in the plural. Now, we will continue talking about demonstrative pronouns, but we will talk about demonstrative pronouns in questions. In this case, more specifically, yes or no questions, okay? I have some examples for you. Let's take a look. Is this or is that your car? You see that in this case, I am asking a question. Attention to the position of the verb be, okay? The verb be comes before the pronoun, right? is this or is that your new car? And then I answer with, yes, it is. No, it isn't. Okay? So, affirmative, yes, it is. No, it isn't. So, pay attention to something. We are talking about singular, okay? When I answer a question in the singular, I will use it, okay? Singular, I use it. How about the plural? Let's take a look. I have another example now in the plural. Are these or are those your friends? Are these or are those your friends? You can answer with, yes, they are. No, they aren't. In this case, as I said before, I talked about the singular. Now I am talking about the plural. So in the plural, I need to use they. It is mandatory. It is necessary that I use they, okay? Because I am talking about the plural, all right? Okay? And of course, they are, okay? It is in the singular, they are in the plural, okay? Now, just to finish, I'll continue, okay? Just before I finish, I'll talk just a little bit more about questions, okay? Demonstrative pronouns. But now I will talk about WH questions, more specific questions. In general, I use who, okay? And what. Remember that I use who for people and I use what for things, okay? So, let's take a look at the examples, because with the examples, I think you can visualize better, okay? So let's take a look at the example I have here. What is this? What is that? Okay, remember, singular, so is, this, is, that. What is this? What is that? It is my new cell phone, right? So, in the singular, I use it. It is my new cell phone, okay? And in the plural, I have some examples. I have one example. Let's take a look here. Who are these people? Or who are those people? These and those, of course, will depend on the distance, right? If it's a long distance, those. If it's a short distance, these, all right? And the answer, how is the answer? Who are these people? Who are those people? They are my brothers, John and Mark, okay? Again, they are my brothers, John and Mark. So in the plural, when I answer the question, I need to use they, okay? They are, of course, okay? So in the singular, it is. In the plural, they are, okay? So I hope you can memorize the demonstrative pronouns, okay? I hope this video helped you, okay? Don't forget to watch the other videos we have on our channel on YouTube, okay? Welcome to Flip again, and I'll see you next time, okay? Bye-bye.